This is the Meadows carry-on car hauler with the 2 5/16 coupler. Here's the work order with description and book hours, which means how long it should take to finish each one of these tasks. List of material that you're going to need to finish this job is a jack, located right here on the red shelf. You're going to need a grease cap, located here. Use the little rubber grommet out of this one. 2-inch angle. Check the mid-iron rack first or the short iron. If you can't find the proper links in the short iron or the mid-iron rack, then go ahead and cut this full stick here. You're going to need 1-inch round bar. These 2 pins you're going to need to cut to length, drill a hole using the drill press. I'm going to put those right there next to the jack. First thing on the list is going to be cut the existing jack away from the trailer. Air arc there, air arc there. We can cut into the jack, stay away from the material that we're going to have to reuse, install the new jack, weld it, paint it. Hub maintenance on both axles, both sides. This one's going to need a grease cap. You know where to find it. When you finish hub maintenance, torque everything and mark it white. Third thing we're going to do is fabricate new ramp stabilizers, because this one is trash. What it's going to look like when we're finished is right here. You can make it at a 2-inch angle or a 2x3 angle, whichever. I showed you where to find that. Basically, down here, you can use a bolt for the bottom side of it. It attaches to the trailer, that way it can't be taken off. This is going to be your 1-inch pin. You're going to drill a hole in it. Here's what the pin looks like. You're going to weld the pin onto this, but over on that trailer. Make sure the bolt is tight enough to where it can't fall down past the light bracket, so that it doesn't fall down and they back up and they bend it. When you're finished, paint it black. We allowed for a half hour on setup and cleanup, so when you get finished, clean up your mess and then pull in the next project.